Hey guys, I got a 2024-2025 Toyota Prius. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light or the oil life light. So you're going to be using this right here and then these and the OK button. This is the menu button. So we're going to click it. So we're going to click it once, go here. We're going to go left, scroll down until we get to settings. Scroll over until we get to this vehicle settings. Okay. You're going to hold OK to go to that. From there, you can do schedule maintenance. Press OK. Reset data, yes, no. Oil maintenance, reset data, yes, no. And that's how you do it. And I'm just going to show you. So we're going to turn this off. When you turn the car on, right here, that's the service interval. So that's how much time you have left until you need to reset it. So that's how you do it. If you get the message that you need to reset your maintenance or oil life, that's how you do it. That's how you get to that menu. Thanks for watching.